Welcome to a journey through timeless elegance and architectural splendor. In today's video, we'll explore the stunning world of small Victorian homes, where intricate designs meet cozy charm. From the graceful exteriors to the luxurious interiors, this house showcases a harmonious blend of tradition and sophistication. Each room offers a unique character, from the inviting living room to the enchanting outdoor spaces. But before we step inside, let's take a moment to admire the breathtaking architecture that defines this home. So, grab a cup of tea and prepare to be inspired by this delightful Victorian retreat. With steep gables, ornate trims, and a wraparound porch, this Victorian gem radiates charm from every angle. The stained glass windows and floral-adorned gardens set a welcoming tone, while the cobblestone pathways add a touch of storybook magic. A home that looks this beautiful on the outside promises even more wonders within. Step into a room that feels like a warm hug. This Victorian living room is the epitome of cozy sophistication, featuring a tufted velvet armchair and a crackling fireplace surrounded by an ornate marble mantel. The floral wallpaper adds a nostalgic charm, while the lace curtains softly filter the light, creating a serene ambiance. Every detail, from the antique coffee table to the intricately patterned rug, invites you to sink into its timeless beauty. This is more than just a living space. It's a comforting retreat from the hustle and bustle of modern life. Let's take a closer look and soak in the charm. Welcome to a kitchen where vintage meets elegance. This compact Victorian space boasts handcrafted wooden cabinets with ornate carvings, a porcelain farmhouse sink, and a vintage gas stove that radiates character. Open shelves lined with fine china add a delightful touch, while the marble countertops offer timeless sophistication. The checkered floor tiles complete the look, perfectly blending functionality with charm. This isn't just a kitchen, it's a space where memories are cooked up and cherished for years to come. Let's explore this culinary masterpiece. Say hello to the ultimate cozy retreat. This Victorian bedroom combines soft pastel walls with floral patterned bedding and a vintage dressing table that whispers timeless elegance. The four-poster bed steals the spotlight, draped in luxurious fabrics that invite you to relax and unwind. Natural light streams through lace-trimmed curtains, casting a warm glow on every corner. From the intricate details of the bedside lamps to the hand-carved wardrobe, this room is a serene sanctuary. Prepare to lose yourself in the art of tranquility. Step into a bathroom that feels like stepping back in time, in the best way possible. A clawfoot tub sits majestically at the center, paired with brass fixtures and a pedestal sink framed by an oval mirror. The white-tiled walls provide a crisp, clean backdrop, while floral curtains soften the space. Small touches, like a vintage wall cabinet and patterned floor tiles, add charm to every detail. This isn't just a bathroom, it's a luxurious escape where relaxation meets style. Let's take a closer look at this Victorian oasis. Gather around a table that feels like it's straight out of a storybook. This Victorian dining room features a round mahogany table adorned with a lace tablecloth and a floral centerpiece that's almost too pretty to touch. Tall sideboards display antique dishes, while patterned wallpaper and a small chandelier set the perfect mood. Every meal here feels like a special occasion, surrounded by elegance and warmth. It's a space that encourages connection and timeless moments with loved ones. Let's take a peek at the finer details. Step outside into a garden that feels like a secret haven. This outdoor space is adorned with a vintage gazebo, winding cobblestone pathways, and vibrant flower beds that burst with color. A wrought iron bench offers the perfect spot for quiet reflection, while a trellis covered in climbing roses frames the space beautifully. The charm extends to every corner, from the classic bird bath to the softly glowing lampposts. It's a tranquil escape where time slows down and nature's beauty takes center stage. Let's explore this enchanting Victorian retreat.